Hello students, my name is Brijesh Kumar Singh. In this video, I am going to demonstrate use case diagram of library management system of software engineering lab. Experiment number 1. Objective is develop behavior unified modeling language diagram, that is use case diagram of library management system. Tool requirements are star UML or rational rows software. You can use any one tool for this purpose. First of all, let us understand what is use case diagram and what is the purpose of use case diagram. According to Unified Modeling Language specification, a use case diagram is a diagram that shows the relationship among actors and use cases within a system. Another point is the purpose of use case diagram is to capture the dynamic aspects of a system. Use case diagram are used to gather the requirements of a system including internal and external influences, and these requirements are mostly design requirements. So when a system is analyzed to gather its functionalities, use cases are prepared and actors are identified. After that, what are the main components or notations of the use case diagram? There are main four components of the use case diagram is actors, use cases, system boundary, dependencies, generalization and association relationship. What is use cases? A use cases describe a sequence of actions that provide a measurable value to an actor. A use case represent as ellipse. A use case involve the interaction of actor and the system. Another point is, what is actor? An actor is a user playing a role with respect to the system, and you can say that an actor is a person or external system or organization that play a role in one or more interaction with your system. Next point is a system boundary. It is represented by a rectangle. The rectangle around the use cases is called system boundary. The use cases inside the rectangle represent a functionality that you intend to implement. And next point is association. Association are used to link actors with use cases and indicate that actors participates in the use cases in some form. A line connecting the actor and use cases depicted association. Another point is include, which is a feature of the use cases. Include is a directed relationship between two use cases, which is used to show the behavior of included use case. And next feature is of use case is extend. It is a directed relationship that specify how and when the behavior defined in usually supplementary. It is optional. Extending use case can be inserted into the behavior. It is procedure to draw use case diagram. First point is identify the actors that surround the system by considering which groups require help from the system to perform their task. After that actor identification, we need to identify the use cases. One of the methods used to identify the use cases is actor based, that is process, task, functions that are performed by each actors are identified. And second method to identify use cases is event based, that is the external event that a system must respond to identified. Relate the event to actor and use cases. In the library management system, there are two main actors are identified. First one is a librarian and second one is the student or staff or faculty. And use cases of library management system are register member, inquiry, issue book, verify member, check availability, return book, calculate fine, maintain book. These are the use cases of the library management system. After that, we need to open the software tool, that is Star UML. Now I am going to open the software tool. Install the software Star UML and open it and go to the model and then go to the add diagram. After click the add diagram, these are the UML diagrams such as class diagram, package diagram, object diagram, component diagram, use case diagram, sequence diagram. These are the UML diagram. You want to draw the use case diagram, so click on the use case diagram. After click the use case diagram, these are the components or notations of the use case diagram. Using these notations or component, you are going to draw the use case diagram of library management system. First step is draw the system boundary. Then click over here and click and drag the system boundary like this and naming the system boundary such as library management system. Library management system. After draw the system boundary, we are going to draw the use cases of library management system. Click use cases and click and drag the use cases. Naming of the use case is inquiry. Inquiry. You can adjust the use case and another use case is issue the book. Issue book. And this is use case include another use case, that is include another use case that is called register naming the use case is register members, and it include another use case is called verify the member file member, include click here, drag and drop. Include. And another use case of issues book is check availability, include. And next use case is return book. Return book. It include another use case that is called calculate fine. And calculate fine use case